Plasma is a partially ionized gas consisting of electrons, ions, and neutral atoms or molecules. It is used for the treatment and modification of surfaces through one of several mechanisms: ablation, chemical etching, activation, deposition, or cross-linking. I'm Richard, one of Harrick Plasma's staff scientists. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an expanded plasma cleaner. For installation, you will need the expanded plasma cleaner, a gas-compatible pump with a minimum pumping speed of 1.4 meters cubed per hour or 23 liters per minute, and an ultimate total pressure of less than 200 millitorr. You will also need a custom three-way valve, a 3-foot or 1 meter length of vacuum-rated half-inch diameter flexible hose, 2 hose clamps, a half-inch outer diameter hose adapter, an appropriate swing clamp and centering ring, and we also recommend an additional hose and clamps to conduct exhaust away from the lab space and into a fume hood. Don't use vacuum grease on hose connections, as this can be a source of contamination. If applicable, fill the vacuum pump with the appropriate pump oil or fluid. Refer to the pump manual for instructions and oil/fluid capacity. Place the centering ring on top of the vacuum pump inlet. Place the inlet port adapter on top of the centering ring. Wrap the swing clamp around the inlet port adapter and centering ring. Tighten the swing clamp using the wing nut. Connect the half-inch inner diameter vacuum hose to the inlet port adapter on the pump. Tighten the hose clamp over the end of the hose. To further tighten these hose clamps, use a hex nut driver. This is the most common location of vacuum leak. Next, we will set up the expanded plasma cleaner. Plug in the plasma cleaner power cord. To control the vacuum pump power from the plasma cleaner front panel, plug the vacuum pump power cord into the vacuum pump outlet at the back of the plasma cleaner. Alternatively, plug your vacuum pump into an appropriate power outlet. Connect the three-way valve assembly to the plasma cleaner front door. When connecting NPT tapered threads, always wrap the thread with Teflon tape to ensure a good seal. Remove any debris or residual tape on the internal and external threads before wrapping with new tape and reconnecting. Wrap the tape in the direction counter to the screw direction. Tighten all threaded connections with a wrench. I have now tightened all threaded connections with a wrench. Now you are ready to start plasma cleaning. Turn on the plasma cleaner. Turn on the vacuum cleaner pump and wait for the chamber to evacuate. We are going to run a brief operation to make sure that the plasma is forming in the plasma cleaner. Air plasma can vary in form from violet-purple at low pressures to purple-pink at higher pressures. Near the upper pressure limit of 2000 millitorr, the plasma intensity decreases and becomes violet color again. Without a vacuum gauge in your system, you will not know whether or not you are in the proper vacuum range to form plasma. Thank you for watching. Upcoming videos will include more details on plasma cleaning processes for common applications.